Sigma Alpha 2 heading due south over the city. We're en route. Everything's a go.
This is Control Tower. We have you on radar. Report cargo status of captured Hedgehog aboard. Over.
That's a 10-4. Cargo secured on board and... What?
Didn't
The
copy
Hedgehog
that.
is
Over.
gone. He's taken out everyone aboard and...
What's wrong?
What in the
Come
world?
in. Over.
Freeze! What do you think you're doing? Get that Hedgehog!
Talk about low-budget flights, no food or movies. I'm out of here. I like running better.
We're over the drop zone.
All right, here we go. Showtime. Now look, we don't know if it's Godzilla or Hello Kitty down there, but as long as we stick together, there is nothing we can't handle. Team Sonic on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Team Knuckles.
Talk about low-budget flights. No food or movies. We're out of here.